The lights are dim. Your system is set. It's just you, in a room full of music. You know the feeling, right? But what if, just for a moment, we removed all of the magnets from your room? Doesn't feel so good anymore, does it? For a listening room without magnets is a room without music. Put quite simply, your music system is one big magnet. Let's start at your loudspeakers. A perfect pairing of cones and coils at the mercy of powerful magnets that, when magnetically charged, push and pull, vibrating back and forth, dancing to the rhythm of the alternating magnetic fields. From the studio microphones that captured the music to that last set of magnets that breathe it into your room, music is made with the push and pull of magnetism. That's right. In the end, it's a simple truth. Magnets make music. So what if we added more magnets to your system? Could we make more music? Absolutely. And here's why. From beginning to end, your music system looks like one big magnetic map. From the wall to your source components, from your amps to your speakers, the common conductors that map your system together are your cables. Until now, such cables could only use electrical conduction to move a music signal throughout a system. This old approach is far less efficient in signal transmission, because the audio signal itself bears the burden of having to create its own weak electromagnetic wave. Every electrical signal is accompanied by such a wave. In fact, the two are inseparable. This relationship is one of the four fundamental forces in the universe: electromagnetism. But what does this have to do with improving the fidelity of your music system? Well, based on our discoveries, everything. What's recently been discovered is that a music signal will conduct through a system at a much higher fidelity when the cables themselves have been pre-applied with powerful magnetic properties. This is the foundation of magnetic conduction, the latest discovery of magnetic innovations, a company co-founded by inventor Rick Schultz. Compared to standard electrical conduction, this entirely new approach of magnetic conduction creates a far more powerful magnetic system that more efficiently guides the flow of the music signal. A music signal, like any other electromagnetic wave, is attracted or repelled by the presence of other magnetic fields. Shown here in this experiment, first conducted in the mid-1800s, one can visibly see the guiding power that a simple magnet has over the flow of electricity. When the patented system of magnetic conduction is orchestrated into a system, the powerful magnetic array will command and control the flow of the music signal from beginning to end. Starting at the pin of the connector, there are at least 52 magnetic components that both focus and propel electrical signals across the core of these conductors. With this patented approach, other magnetic fields encountered across the system map can't distract the music from its journey, because the electromagnetic waves guiding it across the length of the cables are far more powerful. Adding more magnets with increasingly more strength will only bring more control, more clarity, more music. Simply put, magnetic conduction makes more music. In order to have this higher fidelity experience in your own system, the only cables incorporating magnetic conduction come from one brand: High Fidelity Cables. Why the name? Well, to quote the legendary listener Harry Pearson, the correctly named High Fidelity Cables do everything with increased purity and transparency, and most of all, with a quality I'd call flow. Other experienced listeners agree. In fact, the irony of any product carrying the brand name High Fidelity Cables is that such products perform less like a cable and more like a magnet. And what's next? Well, when it comes to experiencing music, we have yet to find a place where applying magnetic conduction doesn't create higher fidelity. This, well, consider it just the beginning. In the end, with High Fidelity Cables, magnets make more music.